It's been a couple days since I made my embedded soap, and this is the shaving cream recipe that I used for this soap. So I wanted to share with you the lathering properties of it. So I have a sliver here that was extracted from one of my bars, and I'm going to show you the lather. To see how creamy and lathery it is. It's a dense lather. When I use this as a shaving soap, I use a scrubby, or you can put it in a cup with a shaving brush. But I just wanted you to just see how lathery and soft it is. It's really almost like a lotion on your skin, and you get quite a bit of lather when you use it. You can actually, it's very slippery from the clays that are in there, so it'd be great for using a razor on. So there they are. And my hands feel so nice and smooth and soft. Those are the lathering properties that come with this bar of soap that has my embedded heart in it. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye.